What is up? Today we're going to be walking around one of the most interesting neighborhoods in Buenos Aires, Villa Crespo, where you can get this promo of 2 empanadas and a Pepsi for 6,000 Argentinian pesos, or a little over $4 USD. This neighborhood sits in the geographic center of the city and has quietly become one of the most popular areas for locals, young professionals, and even digital nomads like myself. To go on this walk, we're going to break down the demographics of Villa Crespo. Population, age groups, income levels, cultural background of the people who live here. Villa Crespo has a pretty dense population here in this neighborhood, as you can see by all the traffic. And as long as we stay in the shade, I think we can get over here to the stadium and movie star arena. All right, we got Hotlanta Stadium here. And that is on the back side of the movie star arena. Went by the other day and saw Avenged Sevenfold was playing there. So I'm sure they get a lot of Latin music, along with some you've heard of in the States. This neighborhood covers about 3.8 square kilometers, or 1.47 miles, square miles that is. Although it's a small space, it's home to 83,000 to 90,000 residents. Population density at 58,000 per square mile. So they're packed in Villa Crespo. Like most of Buenos Aires, you're looking at about 54% female, 46% male. There's a kiosco, little corner shop. Again, typical with my other Buenos Aires videos, you can see the tree-lined streets and architecture. Very European influenced. Let's see if we can get across here real quick. Little puffer dog. Got young adults here between 20 and 35. Median age is 38. Middle-aged residents 35 to 55. Established families and long-time locals. And older residents 60 plus make up a significant portion of the neighborhood. Across Buenos Aires as a whole, 22% of residents are over 60. Income levels vary widely across Argentina's economy, constantly shifting due to inflation. The neighborhood attracts working professionals, small business owners, students, and artists. It's a busy street, but they still find a way to put some nice trees in here in Buenos Aires. And compared to many nearby neighborhoods like Palermo, Villa Crespo usually offers more affordable apartments and rents. All right, let's cut across so we're not getting blasted by the sun here. Like many parts of Buenos Aires, the cultural background here is about 85 to 90% European descent, mostly Italian and Spanish. Around 5 to 10% is mixed ancestry. Smaller communities from Asia, the Middle East, and Africa. For many years, there's been a large Jewish community here with synagogues, schools, and cultural institutions. The neighborhood's really connected, very close to some of the more popular districts in Buenos Aires: Palermo, Chacarita, Almargo. It's connected by the Subte B station. It's a subway line which makes commuting around the city really easy. That's a quick demographic overview of Villa Crespo, in a dense middle-class neighborhood. And we'll keep walking around the city. So go ahead and hit that follow button, like the video. We'll see you in the next one.